Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how you can quickly enable SMS integration with VoIP.ms for the Ringotel platform. So here on the screen we have our Ringotel admin portal open and our VoIP.ms admin portal as well. We will also need an article from our Ringotel Help Center about the VoIP.ms integration. So to enable the integration here, you need to first of all navigate to the organization for which you would like to enable this VoIP.ms integration. Then you switch to the integrations tab and scroll down to VoIP.ms integration. You click enable integration here. Then the first thing you do is you copy this webhook URL and go to your VoIP.ms admin portal. Select the DID number that you would like to enable SMS integration with. Click edit. Then you scroll down to messaging service section. Click enable SMS and MMS if you haven't done so before. Then you go down to SMS and MMS URL callback. You tick this box here and paste this part of the URL into this text field. Then you switch back to our Ringotel Help Center. You scroll down to this note with the additional parameters that you need to add to your URL. So here we go back to the VoIP.ms page and we paste those additional parameters here to the URL. So we can see this is the complete URL that we need to add here. Then we click here to apply the changes. Now after that we go back to our Ringotel admin portal here and we need to add our API login and password to enable the integration. So we get our API login from the login that we use to enter the VoIP.ms admin portal. We just have it here. So and the API password, we go to main menu in the VoIP.ms admin portal, then SOAP and REST API page, and there we scroll down to this API password. So here you can set up your API password. You set it up here, then click save. After that, you copy this API password here in your Ringotel admin portal. Then you click save and continue. Now here you can preset the configuration for your SMS number that you have in your VoIP.ms. Here we have phone number, this one. Just enter the phone number as we have it here. So we go to manage DIDs. This is the phone number that we're setting up right now. Give it any display name and assign the users that will be able to use this phone number. So you can select multiple users or just one user depending on what you need to do. So we can add also some templates so that the SMS messages that will be sent from the users will contain their usernames, for example, and You can add also some headers and footers there as well. Team 1. You can enable here auto replies as well for your 10 DLC campaigns. Some other settings as well. So we just click save. Now, after that, we can log in with our user. We have it here. We will just need to restart the app after enable all those settings. And to test our SMS integration, we go to the VoIP.ms admin portal, and here we have in the DID numbers, we have our SMS messaging center, where we can send and receive our test messages. So we'll just send some test hello message. So now we've sent the message, and as you can see, our user has received this message here in their SMS chat. And as you can see, multiple users can be allocated to this SMS chat, and all of them will be able to send text back to this phone number. Test reply 1. Now we go back here and just refresh the page. And this is our reply. As you can see here, you have the username and the footer that we've preset in our template settings. So this is how you can enable an SMS integration with VoIP.ms. Thank you.